good afternoon. I am home from work. So, I cannot eat lunch in my work. So, I eat lunch here in the house. This is my early dinner and lunch, late lunch and early dinner. I eat the mungo beans. They having leaves of bitter melon, this one. And then this is the fried smoked fish, this one from the Philippines. This fish is a lucky. They gonna come here in the United States. This one, the fish. My sister, they gonna give it to me. And this one, egg with onion leaves with the little shrimp, the small shrimp. This one. And this one is igado. This is igado, pork igado. So it's good. And this is a chili oil. I cook this one a chili oil. I put the chili, I put olive oil, and then I cook this one. So this is good. Oh my God, I eat a lot today. This is first that I eat balatong. Sa Tagalog po nito, in Tagalog, this is balatong with dahon ng ampalaya. This is balatong. Okay. And this is the little shrimp, this one. And then I put a chili oil. This is chili oil. I put in the thing. So good, this one. And then I eat now. This is my early dinner and late lunch. Good. Yummy. Super yummy. Yummy, yummy. When I go to work, I did not bring my lunch. Only I buy pandesal and donut at the bakery because I go at work early in the morning, 4 o'clock early in the morning. Yummy, yummy. I'll be tummy. No diet today. Oh my God, I'm not diet today. Spicy. It's hot, the chili oil with it's good. Yummy. I buy a coconut in the store 1 week ago. I did not eat. I forgot. It's in the inside of wrap. Tomorrow I gonna eat. I put a milk. And this is the igado. Ang dami pong ulam Napakarami. Tikman ko po lahat. Parang buffet na. This one is leftover. Igado. Yummy. My God. And my God. So yummy. And this one to the fried smoked fish. This is good. Very, very good. It's better this one when you dip in the lemon with the patis. Po Diyos ko. It's good this one when you dip in a lemon. Good. I'm gonna make it do patis. This one is lemon. Lemon. I put here the lemon. And then I put some of fish sauce. Fish sauce, yeah. I think they have fish sauce right here. Fish sauce ita. Kaya pa mo lagi tissue na ihusdan. This one is fish sauce. Ay, Apo, excuse me. I eat a lot. This one, the fish. I eat also the skin is good. And then I dip in the lemon with the fish sauce. Crunchy. It's better I eat with not using a spoon and fork. Yummy. Oh my God, I'm full now. I dip again. Yummy. Dito po sa Amerika, napakarami pong pagkain. Nung ako po'y bata, ako'y maliit, naalala ko, yung isang tuyo, tag-isa-isa kaming magkakapatid, sausaw namin sa kamatis. Yun po ang ulam namin nung kami maliliit. Kasi yun ang ulam ng mga walang pera noon. Puro tuyo, bagoong kamatis, asin, may mantika. Ganun po yung ulam namin nung maliit po kami kasi maaga po akong naulila. Kaya yun, I'm early to not having a father because my father is early passed away. He's already my father is 34 years old when he's gone. I'm so young before. I'm only 5 years old when my dad is passed away. And my mother never getting never get married. So I salute my mom. My mom is so nice. Never get married again when my dad is passed away. But my mom is passed away already. 8 years ago. When he's dying, my mom, when she's dying, they gonna call me crying princess because I am the one always crying when I'm a kid. Always crying. Oh my God. My mom told me, crying princess. Because I'm always crying before when I'm a kid. I'm the youngest daughter of my mom. I have also a youngest brother. But I am the one youngest sister, all that children. I am the youngest daughter of my mom. Mhm. Oh my God. Dami kong hindi ko makakain po lahat ito. Ang dami po ito pa yung egado. Napakasarap. Marami. Bye-bye. Salamat. Subscribe. Itong gusto ko, mayroon pang di pa magaling. Bye-bye.